You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Indulge in the best life has to offer when you take the wheel of this richly appointed, highly capable Range Rover. Plush, hushed, and powerful, this breathtakingly modern, supremely luxurious off-roader transports you in every sense of the word. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, sun moonroof, four-wheel drive, wood grain interior trim, heated rear seat, fog lamps, heated mirrors. Don't miss the chance to drive this powerful and sumptuously appointed Range Rover. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.